Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas DIYs. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lisa. I would love for you to hang around by clicking that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss another video. Today's video is going to be a collaboration with Carla Mackenzie. If you're not familiar with the channel, she has a ton of great videos. She has shop with me's, cooking clean with me's, organizations, and also some more DIYs will be coming up. Today she'll be doing a DIY and decorate with me video, so make sure you check it out. I will have a link in the description as well as in the comments. So this DIY is a little bit different from what I usually do. It's a little bit more on the natural nature side, and also more kind of like farmhouse-ish with the checkered and the burlap that I've got going on there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So these are some of the supplies I'm going to be using. I have these ribbons right there, and this nice little lace ribbon, this burlap with the polka dots, and these various ornaments, and I got everything from the Dollar Tree. This wreath form is actually a mini wreath form. It looks like it's about 8 inches. I forget, but I will check. I'll insert the dimensions right on there. So the first thing I did was to wrap the ribbon around and secure it with some hot glue. Next, I cleaned up all the little fringes by cutting them up. I was having a hard time with this DIY in another one that I was filming, and I cut myself. Let me know in the comments if you have any DIY related injuries. So I played around with the arrangements a little bit and decided to use these two and to leave out the little owl because I thought it would be a little too busy. And I just secured everything with hot glue. Next, I started to add these little wood pieces. They're kind of like little corkscrew style wood pieces, like the corks that you see in wine bottles, but they're a lot thicker. So I thought it went really well with the theme. And on the inside, I used a foam disc, and what I did was wrap the polka dot ribbon around it and secure it in the back with some hot glue. Once everything was secure, I added the foam disc in the middle. This is a two-part unit. I didn't glue the foam disc to the wreath. Next thing I did was put some hot glue at the bottom of the feet of the reindeer, and I secured it onto the ribbon area of the foam disc. And I wanted to add a little bit of like natural kind of look to it, so I added more of the little wood pieces to make it seem like the reindeer was outside. I hope I achieved that look. So I just added some hot glue to the bottom and hot glued them straight onto the disc. And finally, I really wanted to use a little lace ribbon, so I just made a little bow with it and attach it onto the stocking ornament. And this is what the final result looks like. Really love this. I have it in my kitchen. I think it's super cute, super adorable. I really love those little wood pieces. I don't know. They really came out really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out Carla's video, and I will have that link below for you guys. Like I said, I thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't follow me on social media, please do so for some Instagram, and what else do I have? Facebook action. I think I'm going to go back to Facebook. Keep going back and forth. But anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. God bless, and bye-bye.